India successfully launched Chandrayaan-3 using its biggest rocket, the launch vehicle Mark 3, on Friday, July 14th at 2:35 p.m. from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, and is India's third mission to the moon. After Chandrayaan-2's disastrous landing in 2019, Chandrayaan-3 is the Indian Space Research Organization's second attempt to soft land close to the lunar south pole. This project intends to make India the fourth country to successfully land a spacecraft on the surface of the moon after China, the United States, and the former Union of Soviet Socialist Republics. This mission will make India the first country in the world to successfully complete a soft landing near to the moon's south pole. The Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft was successfully delivered by the rocket at a height of roughly 179 km, 16 minutes into the mission around 2:50 p.m. Spacecraft began a difficult journey to the moon and will cover 384,000 kilometers distance. A soft landing on the lunar surface is expected to occur between August 23rd and 24th according to the predicted time frame.
चंद्रमा की सतह पर अपना छाप छोड़ने के लिए चंद्रयान 3 अपने मिशन को पूरा करने निकल चुका है। वर्तमान में दोनों S-200 स्टेप ऑन बूस्टर सामान निष्पादन करते हुए अपनी निर्दिष्ट कक्षा की ओर बढ़ रहे हैं।